Good evenings. I am Mr. Sesa Dewusi Tantolorun, a poet, writer, publisher. You know me, I'm money merchant. Those of you that have been following me, you have been watching my YouTube, and those of you that have been subscribing to this channel, I thank you all. But I still want to tell you people, those of you that have been subscribing, please try to buy our products. When you buy our books, you buy our honey, then you are keeping us in business. There are some people they will be calling you. All what you have posted, they want you to be explaining to them one by one. That is not possible. It's not. This one will call me, come and tell me more about coconut. This one will call you, come and tell me about bitter leaf. That one will call you, come and tell me about barrenness again. We have the books, we have published books. I always tell you, when you buy the book, you will see it, how to go about it, how to do it by yourself. Yes, how to do it by yourself. You ask for the book. Our books are on PDF now. We can send the book to you on your Gmail or email. If you don't get Gmail, you don't get email. You get WhatsApp. Everybody is getting WhatsApp. Everybody gets WhatsApp. We can transfer these books to you on WhatsApp. We have been doing it. We have been doing it for people, and people are giving us feedback. When I taught you how to use coconut water for blessing, I don't say people will be carrying money to your house. No. But some people, when they see money, they don't know how the money will just disappear from them. You are a bachelor, you get your salary, you put it inside save for wardrobe. You are taking it small. After some time, you see that you don't see how the money just disappear. When you go to market, you buy some products. When you come back home, you take the paper and the biro, you begin to write the list of what you have already bought down. You see that you short of 1,000, 2,000. How is it that the money disappear? Nobody steal your money. That has to do with spiritual. Some people, they are selling food. You will see plenty people in their shop, but they are still owing those who supply them vegetables. They are still owing those who supply onion, alubosha. Those who supply onion, they will still owe those people. Who supply them pepper, who supply them wedu, they will still owe. How is it? Because when they see money, they cannot account for it. They can't. Some people, if you hear the salary they are receiving every month, they cannot point to what they are doing with the salary. That is why in that video that some people are having that problem. I taught you how you can use coconut water to stop you from bad spending and to see money. The money I say you will be seeing, that nobody know how water enter coconut. Not that people will carry million to you, but miraculous way, people will be giving you money. Then you receive mercy where you don't expect, uncommon favor. That is what that one don't mean. It doesn't mean that when you use coconut water, people will begin to come and bring million for you. No, I never mentioned that. Go and play the video back. Today, I will still teach you. If you lick honey, just lick honey, and you see what will happen to you. Watch this video. Watch this video. Then some people they asking me whether I get agent at Ibadan. Now we use Ibadan before, but we close the shop later. Now some people they are calling me, they want to be our representative at Ibadan. I want to use this medium. If you have a big store, shop, petrol station, or you have a supermarket, and you are a trustworthy man, if you want us to be using your shop, then we have some commission to give you. If you are in Ibadan, Abeokuta, or Abuja, many people are calling us from that place. If you see the boost we normally send to Abuja, if you see the boost, people are receiving at Akure, Ondo State, every week. So if you're a trustworthy person, you have a shop or you have a petrol station or the supermarket, you want to be our representative at Akure, Ondo State, Oyo State, Ibadan, Abuja, then you can call us. My WhatsApp number 0054749455. You will see it at the bottom of this video. At the bottom of this video, you will see my WhatsApp number. Yes. I want to tell you that these books, some people are asking for Àádọ́ta Ìwòsàn tó ń bẹ nínú oyin. This one is in English and Yoruba. Àádọ́ta Ìwòsàn. We have the English version, 50 ways of using honey. But we have put everything inside this new book. There's no more Àádọ́ta Ìwòsàn oyin and the 50 ways of using honey. We have put everything inside this book. It's now 70 ways of using honey. But we change the title to Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. We have 70 different ways of using honey there. Yes, you can receive it on PDF. If you are using WhatsApp, Gmail, or email, we can send it to your phone. You read it every time. If it is on email or Gmail or WhatsApp, if your phone gets spoiled, when you buy another phone, your WhatsApp or Gmail will still remain. You can still get it. Because those who are not in the country, those who are in far away like America, Canada, Japan, Germany, they are calling us. Then you normally send this book to them on their Gmail, email me, and they do tell us that the thing is working for them miraculously. So those of you that are in Nigeria, you are far away place, you can't come to Babole Post or Yesota, and you find it difficult to go to Mushi. Then you can let us know. We send this book to you on your WhatsApp. It's on PDF with a little money, yes, that you can afford. But I want to still tell you, we can't be only. It's too expensive, even for local dispatch. If you want to send this one, they will tell us so amount, and some people cannot pay that one. So we decide that we don't will be only at all. About what I said will teach you today. This is honey. This is ordinary honey. You don't put anything to it. You do like this every morning. You see me. Before you talk to anybody, what do you see? I think you are listening to me. Before you talk to anybody at all, you put honey into your hand like this. Then you say the following prayers. Early in the morning, before you talk to anybody, you say, Almighty God, the creator of heaven and earth, nobody puts sugar or salt into honey before it became sweet. You that performs wonders to the life of the honey, I beg thee, please come and put sweetness to my life, so that I will be well accepted anywhere I go in this world. After the prayer, leave the honey. Don't forget to wash your hand before you do this. I've already washed my hand before I did this preparation for you. And I want to use this medium to tell you, we don't have any agent to be sending you book. We don't have agent. We don't authorize anybody to be sending our books to you on WhatsApp or Gmail or your PDF. We are the only authority here who can do that for you. We can give our books to our agent in Nigeria to be selling. But that of PDF, we are sending it from our own phone. If it is not from Baba Oluyi original WhatsApp, 0054749455. Is fake and it will never work for you. That man in Ghana, take time. That man in Ghana, who said, I saw the post under our YouTube. He was telling people that he can be selling books to them. If you have been doing 419 before in Ghana, maybe this is the time law enforcement agent will catch you up. If you have been doing Yahoo in Ghana, you better take time. Steer clear of this our products. I beg you, in the name of Almighty God, steer clear. Yàgò fún mi o. Sorry, that man in Ghana. I think I've sent message to you that you should be careful. We are putting it under our comments, under the comments of the people, that people are asking how can they get the book. Then you are telling them if they contact you, you will be sending the books to them on your on WhatsApp or Gmail. Please, if you have been doing Yahoo, face your own Yahoo there. I know sooner or later, law enforcement agent in Ghana will deal with you. I don't want to mention your name now. Be careful. Do this preparation for 50 days. You just lick it. You just put on into your hand. Wash your hand before you do that. Lick it every day. When you lick it every day, before 50 days, you will point to what God has done for you. You will see wonders in your life. This one is not mercy. You don't need to add anything to this one. In my past video, I told you if you add salt to honey, what we do, it will bring for you. I taught you how you can use coconut water. But this one, you don't add anything to honey. You know our forefathers. I remember when I was in the village, when a snake bites somebody, there was no hospital in our village. No hospital. Our people, they will take rope. They will go to the bush, find a very long rope, or they just tear one dress. You call it akisa. They just tear one old cloth. They tear it. They will wrap it to the leg of the person that the snake bite. Then we do some practice. Alápàsà, tìbí lápàsà àwọn ti bí ẹ lọ́mọ. Ẹ̀rọ gbígbẹ ni wọ́n ní kó máa jẹ. Ẹ̀rọ tútù ọmọ èèyàn ló máa ń jẹ yìí. They will call the snake a name. They put alligator pepper. They will put it in their mouth. They read some incantation. That poison of the snake, it will be coming out like this, in form of blood. It will be coming out with the blood. Within 30 minutes, the thing will come outside. After 1 hour, they remove the rope or that thing they remove from that ikisa, that small thread they remove from a very old cloth. They will remove it. The person will be living around. Yes, we do it in my area. So we can command only to do what we want to do for us without doing anything. Yes, without doing anything. You can just talk to one and they will do wonder. Try it. This book, I want to tell you, this our book has been in the market for over 20 years. Yes, I've been in this business for the past 22 years. But some people are just seeing the advert on YouTube now. They are just seeing us for the first time. But those of you in Nigeria, you must have read about us in all the newspapers, magazines. Then we have special program on radio stations. We use radio station, television stations in Nigeria. If you ask anybody in Nigeria about Baboloyin, they will tell you that they know somebody at Yesota. We have solution to woman problem. This is not on PDF. It's not on PDF yet. But if you want to buy the hard copy, you tell us. If you can pay, we send it to you. Yes, but we don't send only. I always tell you, we don't send only. The weight of this one is, when they weigh it, because a very good one has to get weight, and they will be telling you this social amount you have to use for the postage. So we don't send only. We can send the book to you anywhere in the world. Especially those of you that are not in the country. You can send it to your Gmail, email, or email. Don't forget again, we don't have any agent in Ghana. That man in Ghana, take your time. We don't authorize you to be sending books to people on WhatsApp, Gmail, or email. Any book you receive on PDF have to come from Baba Oloyin Original. Yes, I still repeat. Have to come for our Gmail or email 0054749455. At the bottom of this video, you will see subscribe. Please always subscribe. If you have subscribed before, you don't need to press that one, because if you still press it, it will ask you to want to cancel or unsubscribe. So you have to leave it. If it asks you cancel or unsubscribe, you will see the red button at the bottom of this video. The red subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, subscribe, so that anytime I release video, yes, you will see it. Don't forget again, my telephone number is 08054749455. God bless you.